In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify an alert on MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 is an incredibly powerful platform widely used by traders across the globe for its advanced analytics and trading capabilities. One of the critical features it offers is the ability to set up alerts, ensuring you're always aware of the developments on the market that matter most to you. However, there may be times when you need to modify these alerts to better fit your evolving trading strategies or to refine your notifications. That's precisely what we'll be focusing on today. Let's start by navigating to the toolbox. You'll find this option conveniently located at the bottom of the MetaTrader 5 interface. The toolbox is where you can follow up on various things, including your trading activities, account information, and of course, alerts. It's essentially the control center for much of what happens on the platform. Once you have opened the toolbox, your next step is to navigate to the Alerts tab. This tab is crucial as it consolidates all your active alerts in one location, making it easy for you to manage and modify them as necessary. Simply click on the Alerts tab and you'll immediately see all the alerts you've set up, displaying everything from price points to specific conditions you want monitored. Now, if you wish to change one of these alerts, the procedure is straightforward. Locate the particular alert you want to modify on the list presented in front of you. With a quick right click on that alert, you'll be presented with a context menu offering a variety of options. This right click is a neat trick for efficiently accessing functions related to your alert without having to navigate through numerous menus. Among the various options you see after right clicking, you'll want to select the Modify option. By clicking Modify, you open up a space where you have the freedom to make adjustments and tailor the alert to your specific preferences or new strategy needs. Whether you need to change the price at which you're notified, adjust the sound, or alter another parameter, all these configurations are found here. Remember, the goal with alerts is staying informed and responsive to market shifts without needing to constantly sit glued to your screen. So thinking about what kind of alerts are genuinely useful versus ones that may just be noise is key to maximizing their benefit to your trading routine. So, that wraps up today's tutorial on modifying alerts on MetaTrader 5. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides like this. Until next time, trade smart and see you soon.